Hi everyone, Einat Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you a really cool card with kissing lips. So what you need is a 6x6 paper. Better to use a paper that is white one side and colored, maybe red or some kind of red on the other side. Not a very thick paper would be best. So let's get started. We're going to fold one corner to the other. We're going to do a lot of folding to create the lips, and then we're going to sort of create an S on the bottom just to make a mark where the third is, because we need to divide this to thirds. The bottom of the triangle, we need to divide it to thirds. So this is how you're going to do that. Measuring is not as good because it comes out a really weird number. And then we're going to bring the corner to the third mark and fold. Always good to use a bone folder to burnish your folds. Then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Bring the corner to the other third mark and fold. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now we're going to take this corner and fold it toward the back like this to this corner, and then the other corner the exact same way to the right top corner there. Okay, now we're going to bring it down corner to corner, make a little triangle, and do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, next we're going to take that little flap there and fold the diagonal line toward the straight line like this. And of course we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. The diagonal line toward the straight line like this. So you have like two laying triangles with the straight side up. Like this. Okay, next we're going to take that little edge of a triangle there. Just want to make sure it's flexible enough. And then we're going to fold it down alongside the straight edge of the shape that we have. So it's kind of tricky. I'm going to show you up close to make sure that you do it properly. So we're going to take that little triangle edge here, this corner there, and fold it down toward the edge of the triangle and make a very tiny triangle. Again, we're going to fold it down along the straight edge of the shape. So this is what we have. You see those little two triangles on the side like this. Okay, let's continue. Now basically what we need to do is unfold everything that we did. Open all the folds and align the paper with the white side up while the middle line, the straight line, goes vertically like this. And then we're going to fold the little triangle on the bottom. The fold lines are already there. So what you need to do is follow them. And then there are two diagonal lines that we're going to fold as well. I'm going to fold one and open it, and then fold the other and open it. Now we're going to push those two little diagonal lines that we folded. We're going to push them towards the inside like this. You're going to see that they're folding almost by themselves. Just push them like that, and then push the center. You'll have a little protrusion there. I'm going to show you up close how that looks. See? This is how it looks. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. These are going to be the lips. So I'm going to show you again. Push those little two diagonal lines towards the inside, and then press against the center to create that protrusion. And we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Fold the little triangle, and then fold along the two diagonal lines. Fold on one line, open it, and then fold on the other line and open it, and then push them together towards the center like this, and create that little protrusion there. Okay, so we're almost there. Not a lot to do. Next, we're going to fold, to flip the paper where the red side is up, and then fold along this horizontal line, and then the second horizontal line, and you can start seeing the lips. Now we're going to fold the lips slightly towards the outside so they will get their angle properly. A little bit like that. Push the center fold towards the outside and the two diagonal lines towards the inside. And then you see the lips. Isn't that cool? Okay, so let's finish the lips and then we can finish the card. So now we're going to take both sides, the left side and the right side, and fold them towards the center. So we're going to fold this side here like this, and then the other side exactly the same way. And now we're going to make the two flaps that are going to be attached to the card. This is so cool. Okay, so now we're going to close it like this, and then flip the side all the way back like that, and then do the exact same thing on the other side. So these two flaps are going to be attached to the card. So basically our opening lips mechanism is ready. So fun. Can't stop doing that. Okay, so next we can go ahead and make the card. You can use a ready-made card. I have used an 8x6 piece of double-sided cardstock, and then I'm just going to cover the front and embellish the front. So the lips are going to go in the center. So apply glue to the back side of one flap, and then align it with the center fold line like this, and then close to secure, and then apply glue to the back side of the other flap, and then close the card again, and that will attach it exactly to the right place. Have to wait until it's dry, of course. So in the meantime, let's just embellish the front. I'm just going to add the same paper with the hearts, and then I'm going to add another square on top with a little heart, and of course you can embellish it any way that you want. I really hope you like this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all my tutorials and make all the projects. So I'm going to finish this card with this little heart, and of course you can add a sentiment, you can add whatever you want on the inside, on the outside, with those kissing lips. So now there is a heart there, and I think it's dry enough for me to show you how this works. This is the most fun and cool card that I've ever made. It is so much fun to open and close it. So I really hope you like this tutorial. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.